bro, Lee, you don't know Lee, bro. She was not having it, but every time the guy tried to mark me down, she was like, nah, bro, how do you write that? She's so lame,
I know. You're talking about, I know. Yeah. But when you went Switchboard, she was,
Hi.
Is it recording, yeah?
Yeah, it's recording still.
You're gone?
Yeah, and then, bro, I've got 96% passed. This is what I say, that even before, this is what I was trained to say, anyways, it's fine. The evening before you get a 3-hour time slot, you're not supposed to say that. You're supposed to say, even before you get a 3-hour time slot, via text. That's all I got, and I keep on getting marked down for it. And I only just realised what he meant. Because I thought he...
What were you supposed to say?
I have to add text. I have to say text.
Yeah, you just see a 3-hour time slot.
And I always say and even before you get a 3-hour time slot. That's what I always say.
Oh, yeah, well, you can't do that. They don't know what you're talking about. They say a text message and be specific.
Yeah, I didn't know that. So he kept on marking me down for that. But I
always say...
I didn't listen back to it. Because you remember me and you were speaking, so I thought you were saying that I didn't save 3-hour time slot. I was thinking, I never missed that. I
always say, you've got your number, so you'll receive a text message the evening before to give you a 3-hour time slot, blah, blah,
yeah. But now
And then the email one as well.
So after the meeting, this is what I've been saying, like, the evening before you get a 3-hour time slot. No, the evening before you get a 3-hour estimation. It's a bit shit, but anything to get them words in, I say. And then, fam.
That's calm.
Not too bad. The manager was like, nah, take one more call. Took the call, I stopped going rapping. And then, I can't, I could have sold 4 years to that woman, bro. She wanted it. But she took her 2 years, so it's calm. That's how I was playing. Decent day.
Valid. Oh, take the phone and hold it, simulation. Don't press anything. Is it good? I slapped it on 4K, 60 frames. I think I'm touching the screen with my nose and shit. Just kind of won't interrupt because it's on record. That one's bare wide out. I need to get just a little bit cropped.
Stuff. You even posting a story, bro?
Trust me.
Jail texting says recording. What's up? What's up?
Same as last time.
Make food.
At the law.
Yo, can you hear me? What What it is, young blow, you telling me? It's been a while, Charlotte, man. I thought, shit, I can't even get through to you. I know you occupy with that vision, man. What do you mean? How do you know? Broski, I can just tell the nigga occupied. I'm about to stop playing with the nigga, man. Yeah? What's the word, man? Yeah. Chat to me. You know what it is, bro? With that one, bro, like, I can't lie, like, there's a phase where you do one of them things there, but then there's a phase where you stop. Now, when I talk about like a phase or some shit like that, I mean like for 2 months and that, not even on a thing, just chill down with it, you feel me? Just let her know it's not all the time thing, you feel me? Like, not all the time. Like, thingy, what's her name? She knows it's not all the time, anyways. You feel what I'm trying to say? Like, what have you done though? What have you got and stuff? Oh yeah. That. Yeah. Look, I'll be honest with you, yeah. I thought the same thing, bro. I'm being so honest, bro. It's black things, bro. That's why I don't fuck with black things, bro. I'm not even, bro. Let me tell you something, bro. When I was with Aurelia, yeah, on everything I love, bro, this thing made me feel like I was brass. Chatty white, not even on the finger like that, broski. Even if she knew I had it, bro, she would be on the thing where it's like, bro, even I'm from stepping with it, bro, she would compromise, like she would wanna go on this, like she'll try to pay for this one, and she'll even tell me, yeah, I'll pay for this one and you pay for this one, like, you feel me, on a that thing, bro. But on a that thing, bro, but black things, bro, I swear out, they will just watch you pull out the car. They are so like, they like. I'm telling you, it's TikTok, bro. These high-end black things have compromised all these normal ass black girls, bro. They just think, yeah, it's the man job to do this. Oh, this is what I'm saying, bro. Like, my thingy, man, girl, she can never expect anything from man, bro, unless I'm actually, you feel me? She knows, bro. She knows she can never like do the thing, keep asking me for stuff. Brother, like, you see me, yeah? Every time I spend money on a girl, I think about, have I even spent this much money on my mum, fam? You feel what I'm trying to say, bro? Like, this month, have I spent this much money on my mum? Let alone a girl, fam. You feel me, bro? They don't even know, bro. Listen, this is what I'm saying, bro. Like, bro, sometimes, bro. And then as soon as I spend money on a girl, bro, I feel so guilty to the fact that I just want to buy my mum something, fam. And I'd rather not buy anybody something. Yes, bro. Bro, imagine spending more than £100 on a girl and you've not done that for your mum yet. Come on, bro.